In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to export your ClickUp data into Excel. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into the workspace here in ClickUp where you'd want to export the data right here. So let's say that it is in this workspace, and then navigate into the space right here where the data is located. And from here in the space, you basically just want to make sure that you are either in the list view or in the table view, which you can click here on view. You could either go for a list or a table. So this one right here, as this are the only exportable formats for the views or data here in each space. And then once you're in the list or table view, you just simply need to click here on customize where it has the gear icon. Click on that. And then you will now be prompted in here in this menu. You just need to click here on export view. And from here, you can now select Excel right here. So select Excel. And then from here, you can select what to export. You can go for visible columns, task name, or all columns. And then after that, you could go into download once you're now satisfied with your options in here. Once you click on that, you'll now be able to download it. As you can see right here, I can now download that. And then once it's done, I can now open it. And now I could now see my data exported here into Excel just like this one. So yeah, this is it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.